Hello all dear students, I hope I am audible and visible both. Please let me know quickly on the comment section guys, is my audio video fine or not? Everyone on the comment section guys. Yeah, in my mobile audio is coming fine, so I guess in your mobile also it's fine. Okay guys, so in this video guys, what we will be doing, we will be taking the HPCL mock test of which includes the subjects like strength of materials, structural analysis, RCC, soil mechanics, surveying and hydrology. The specialty will be in HPCL mock test, the questions will be such that they will be of HPCL level, plus the time I will be giving you to solve those questions will be around 50 seconds, because in exams also, in HPCL exam also, in 150 minutes you have to do 170 questions. Along with the mock test, along with the practice that we will be doing in this session of HPCL level questions only, which is much below than the gate level, I will be telling you first of all the pattern and the previous year cutoff and the weightage analysis. Guys, pattern you will be getting in notification, but previous year cutoff and the weightage analysis of last 3 years you will be getting rarely on the internet guys. Okay, so those who don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi. I got All India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score better rank than these. These are my subjects. You can also join me in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Okay. Now guys, first of all, if I talk about the seats, then guys, seats this time for civil engineers is only 10. Okay. Okay, it is less seats. Okay. Now guys, the pattern, total the exam will be of 2.5 hours. Okay, that is 150 minutes, total 170 questions. Out of these 170 questions, 85 will be from your civil background and remaining 85 will be non-technical, which includes remaining 85 reasoning, aptitude and English. Also guys, let me tell you, last year, although in this year they have not given the detailed notification till now, but what was up to the last year, that you have to score at least 50% here. At least 50% here for going into the second stage, that is a group task. Then the final stage will be the interview. For going to the second stage in this computer based test, you have to score 50% here at least. There is no minimum cutoff for here, and overall you have to score at least 60% for general category and 54% for other categories. Okay, so minimum cutoff in technical is 50% and overall 60% for general and 54% for others. This is the recruitment process of last year. Hopefully they will be doing the same thing this time also. Okay, so out of 170 guys, 170 questions, every question will be of 1 marks. Okay, negative marking minus 0.25. This negative marking is also introduced from the last time also. This was the cutoff last year. Out of 170 marks, this is the cutoff. So obviously the seats are less, and for the same level of difficulty level paper, the cutoff for civil out of 170 will be little more this time. So yes guys, there is no doubt, I don't want to give you any false motivation. Yes, the competition is neck to neck. The competition is not very easy this time. Okay, now this is the 2023 cutoff. Okay, now guys, if I talk about the weightage, okay, the weightage analysis of last 3 years, this was the paper which was conducted on 23rd of December. Okay, last time the paper was conducted on 23rd of December, and the weightage analysis of the 85 questions, because weightage analysis of this is already they have given. Already they have given the reasoning will be this much, aptitude will be this much, English will be this one. But out of technical guys, if I tell you, then out of 85 questions in soil, survey, transportation, environment, fluid mechanics are on the higher side. Okay, along with RCC also, along with RCC and so on. Steel, structural analysis, hydrology, per CPM, irrigation are less marks. Okay. Now guys, this is the weightage analysis of 2021 and 22. So later on you can take a screenshot and you can see this. Okay. Okay guys. So always guys, the weightage of surveying, transportation, environment is on the higher side. Okay. Building material, last 2 years it was less, but in 2021 and 22 it is less, but in 2023 it is quite high, building material. But yes guys, if you see transportation, if you see environment, if you see surveying, if you see soil mechanics, okay, soil mechanics, surveying, transportation, environment, this every year it is of high weightage, and fluid mechanics also. Okay, soil, survey, transportation, environment, fluid mechanics are of higher weightage most of the time in HPCL examination. Guys, please like the session and share with all the friends so everyone can get this. Okay, so this is the weightage analysis, weightage of last 3 years. In 2021 it was conducted on 11th August, 22 on 4th November, and 23 August it was on 23 August this was conducted. Sorry, it will be 23 December. Okay, 23 December this was conducted and this was the weightage analysis. Now guys, let us do the test, mock test for every question. Of course guys, this is a YouTube, okay, this will be a two-way interaction, okay, but still guys, if you want to really judge yourself, these questions should be done in 50 seconds or at maximum 1 minute, guys. Come on everyone. Let me know the answers on the comment box. I am eagerly waiting for your answers. I'm eagerly waiting for your answers, guys. Where is my water? See, in figure below, sigma 1 and sigma 2 are the principal stresses. Sigma 1 and sigma 2 are the principal stresses, maximum and minimum. Okay, sigma 1 is the major principal stress, sigma 2 is the minor. Resultant stress on the plane AB is this. Now guys, this is the maximum shear stress, na? Sigma 1 minus sigma 2. This is looking like tau max. And this is looking like normal stress on the plane of tau max. See guys, if this is a general Mohr circle I am making and this is the Mohr circle, then here at the center, this is the normal stress, that is sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2. This is the maximum stress, sigma 1, this is sigma 2. So tau max is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. Okay, and this is the center. So actually it is written sigma on plane of tau max, sigma on plane of tau max. So actually this is the resultant stress for this point, because in this point the normal stress is, because at this red point normal stress is sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2, that is this point, sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2, and y-axis, that is the shear stress, is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. So actually this plane is representing this red one. This is representing this red point on the Mohr circle. This plane is representing by the red point. Okay. Now suppose this is the maximum principal stress. So this blue plane is representing by the blue point. This red plane is representing by the red point, and this green plane sigma 2 is by this. See, in blue and green, there is no shear stress. Y-axis value is 0. On x-axis the y coordinate will be 0. So here guys, there is no shear stress. Of course in the principal stress there is no shear stress. This is red plane. So in Mohr circle this is at 90 degree. So in real life it will be 45 degree, na? Because Mohr circle every angle is represented twice. Like principal stresses are at 90 degree angle, but in Mohr circle red and blue, green and blue are 180 degree, na? It is doubled. Yes, we know, Darwin. Everyone, give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, guys. Come on. Okay. Do this fast. Give me the answers, guys. Come on, everyone. A system of pure shear produces on an inclined plane. This is a system of pure shear, guys. This is a system of pure shear. So, an inclined plane, what will be coming? Guys, generally what people think that pure shear means only shear stresses are coming. Let me tell you guys, if this is a Mohr circle, if this is a Mohr circle, and in Mohr circle, this point is representing the pure shear where there is no x coordinate. X coordinate is 0, sigma value is 0. There is no x coordinate, sigma value is 0. So these yellow ones are represented by these yellow planes. Okay, but here in this Mohr circle, at these green points, the stresses are coming na, x coordinate is coming na, normal stress has some value na, normal stress means x coordinate has some values na. So guys, pure shear doesn't mean that normal stress will not come. Pure shear means that on that orientation, normal stress will not be coming. Yes, once we incline them, once we rotate them, suppose we rotate like this, so in green plane, some green, one of these green points will be coming. At some other green, dark green, light green, some other green will be coming. So yes, in these points, normal and shear will be coming. Okay, on right hand side, positive sigma tension, negative sigma compression. Yes guys, come on Vinod, Darwin, be happy everyone. Okay guys, now this one. If the principal stress is at a point in a strain body and P1 and P2, then the resultant stress on a plane of carrying maximum shear. Guys, on plane of tau max, I just told you in the first question, okay, on plane of tau max, the normal stress is sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2 and shear stress is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. The sigma is sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2 and shear is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. What is the resultant stress? Resultant stress is sigma square plus tau square. That is, sigma means sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2 whole square plus tau means sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2 whole square. Once you solve this guys, what you are getting? You will be getting this value, B option. Yes, my dear friends, everyone. Come on guys. From 10th of June guys, our new batches are about to start for GATE and ESE. There is early bird discount of 40% going on. So all the civil engineers who want to study from us, the complete Byju's civil team, you can join us with the 40% discount. All the links, description box, phone number are on the description box of this video. Yes. If epsilon 1 and epsilon 2 are the maximum and minimum strains in a point, then E and mu is given, then the maximum value of this. Suppose guys, in this direction, we get the maximum principal stress epsilon 1, and here at 90 degree, of course, major and minor will be at 90 degree. So what will be sigma 1 here? Guys, what will be? Guys, if this in this direction it is maximum normal strain, so in this direction also it will be the maximum normal stress also. Na? When it is normal stress maximum, then only the normal strain maximum. Similarly here, sigma 2. So what is epsilon 1? Epsilon 1 is, this is sigma 1 by E minus mu sigma 2 by E. What is epsilon 2? Strain in this direction. Sigma 2 by E minus mu sigma 1 by E. Now once you solve this, okay, once you solve this guys, what you are getting? You will be getting sigma 1 is equal to E 1 minus Poisson ratio whole square epsilon 1 plus mu epsilon 2. That is C option. That is option number C. Let us move to the next question guys. A simply supported beam of length A plus B, okay, carries a concentrated load W, not at the center guys. Here it is A, here it is B. Okay, EI is the flexibility. The deflection under the load will be, you can do from this, from strain energy method you can do this very easily guys. What you are getting here? Okay, this will be the option. For the application of moment area method, the deflection at a section in a beam, what is required? The beam must be of uniform moment of inertia. No guys, it is applicable for non-prismatic beam also. It is applicable, moment area method is applicable for non-prismatic beam. The M by EI is triangle, no guys, there is no such conditions. Even for parabola, even for constant also we can do. For constant at triangle, the calculations will be easy for calculating the CG. Okay, for parabola it will be difficult, but yes, it is applicable there as well. Okay, the position of at least one tangent to the elastic curve at any section should be known, and the D point is the bending moment is known, so that we can draw the M by EI. Bending moment should be known. Now bending moment can be rectangular, can be triangular, can be constant, can be parabolic. If a is sufficient, and if a tangent of slope is known. Okay, if a zero tangent slope is known, then the calculation becomes easy. So most appropriate out of A and D will be D. Okay, most appropriate out of A and D will be D. Now guys, this is structural analysis. I am not a teacher of structural analysis, so this is just for your mock test. Okay, this is your mock test. This will be C. Okay. The degree of kinematic inertia of a pin jointed plane frame is given by 2J minus R. A pin jointed plane frame is unstable if member plus reaction is less than 2 times of joint. Okay. Now guys, do this one. The settlement of a clay layer of initial thickness H. Initial thickness is H. Now the thickness will be reduced due to the consolidation. Some water has gone out. Okay, some water has gone out. So what will be the value? So guys, delta H by H is equal to delta V by V. It is very simple. This formula derivation is very simple, because the answer is in one line, the derivation is one line, because the soil is considered to be semi-infinite. Hi Mukesh. The soil is considered to be semi-infinite. Semi-infinite means, always guys, whenever you are studying soil mechanics, you are studying that clay will be of 2 meter, sand will be of 4 meter, water table will be at a 5 meter depth, okay, silt will be at 2 meter depth. You never say that sand is of 2 meter depth for 100 kilometer square area. Okay, you never say that water table is at 5 meter below for 200 kilometer square area. So always guys, soil is considered to be semi-infinite. Semi-infinite means depth is considered to be finite, area is considered to be infinite. Area is to be considered to be infinite. Okay. So you never consider the area. You never consider the area. Okay. So guys, whatever the change in the thickness, whatever the change in the volume will be due to thickness only, because area is earlier also infinite, now also infinite. Whatever the change is due to the thickness. And if you solve, I am not deriving it here, delta H by H is equal to delta E by 1 plus E naught. Okay, from here delta H is equal to H delta E, H delta E upon 1 plus E naught. That is D option. Got it, Mukesh? Got it, Mukesh? Okay. The settlement analysis of a clay, guys, these questions are HPCL level only. Yesterday I have, not yesterday, day before yesterday I have taken a session. Day before yesterday I have taken a session on, this, what is called this, SOM question of gate, 2018 P by Q torsion question. I hope you have seen this. Okay. In SOM 2018, a beautiful question was asked from torsion. So that I have discussed. So when I am taking gate session, then the questions will be of that level. In HPCL, I will be taking that level questions only. ठीक है मुकेश भाई? मुकेश इंग्लिश में दोनों समझ जाते रहे या नॉर्थ इंडिया साउथ इंडिया के बच्चे? चलो. As the settlement analysis of a clay layer draining from top and bottom shows a settlement of 2.5 centimeter in 4 years. And an ultimate settlement of 10 centimeter. However, detailed subsurface investigation reveals that there is no drainage at the bottom. Earlier we are thinking that it is draining from top also, bottom also, but later on there was no drainage at the bottom, guys. So the ultimate settlement will be, guys, see, if in this bottle there is 300 ml of water, if I put one hole or two hole, how many total water will go down? 300 ml. If in this bottle there are one hole, suppose there is 300 ml of water. If I put one hole, how many water will go? 300 ml. If I put two hole, how many water will go? 300 ml. So total settlement has nothing to do with single drainage or double drainage. If total settlement is 10 centimeter, now also it will be 10 centimeter. In double drainage, only the difference will be it will be done faster. Okay. Suppose here it is 300 ml of water. So if I put one hole, 300 ml will go down. If I put two holes, 300 ml will go down. When I put two holes here, the 300 ml will go down faster rate. But total water will be 300 ml. So single drainage and double drainage has nothing to do with the total ultimate settlement. Yes, in double drainage it will be faster. Like if in double drainage in 4 years, when I am considering it to be double drainage, in 4 years it is 2.5 centimeter. When I am considering it double drainage, in single drainage it will be in 4 years less. Not 2.5, it may be 1.5, 1 centimeter, like this. Got it, my friends? Got it, my friends? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone na? Okay. A well-graded soil has a coefficient of curvature from 1 to 3. These kind of questions will be asked in HPCL. Yeah? Just seeing the question, hitting it. Just seeing the question, hitting it. 1 to 3. For sand, if you talk about coefficient of uniformity, it should be greater than 6. And for gravel, it should be greater than 4. This is for sand, this is for gravel, and CC for both it is 1 to 3. Okay, the ratio of undisturbed shear strength to the remolded shear strength in cohesive soil under which condition? Undrained condition, guys. This is greater than 1, guys. Undisturbed shear strength is little bit more than remolded shear strength for clay, that is cohesive soil. Okay, so undisturbed shear strength is more. This you have to know. Number of phases in soil mass 3. So this is solid, water and air. Which of the following is measure of particle size range? Effective size will be giving you only the mid diameter. Guys, coefficient of uniformity. How much more it will be? Now see, I am giving a very beautiful logic you have never heard till now. If you have not seen my class. This is the first time anyone will be giving this logic. Those students who already have studied from me, they might be knowing this. Guys, see, CC we are fixing 1 to 3. Where is that? But CU we are saying greater than 6. Anything it will be well graded. 7, 10, 20, 40, 80, 100, 200, 300. CU greater than 4. It is well graded. 4 greater than 4 can be anything. 10, 20, 100, 500, 1000, 10,000. Anything. $1 million, anything. Greater anything is well. But CC we are restricting. Guys, because if this ratio will be more, that means if this ratio will be more, that means D60 is very, very, very big than D10. That means good, yeah? Good, yeah? That means D60 is a very big diameter, D10 is a very small diameter. That means large particles are there. Large range is there. Large range is there. D60 is very, very big. D10 is very, very less. Large range is there. Now you will say, sir, I understood this is wrong. I understood this is wrong. But why this, sir? Why this, sir? Why this D30 square? Why this you are not considered, guys? Okay. I am telling you the logic of that also, guys. No, in no book it is written. In no book it is written. CU is saying that D60 is very, very big and D10 is very, very large. So this may be also case, na, that the soil will be either a very big, and very small, and medium size particles are not present. Then it will be a gap graded. To remove that, this fraction is coming. And it is between 1 to 3. That means this is very big. This is very, very less. If CU is very big number, and in between there are also particles. That is why this is considered. कि बीच वाला particle भी आ रहा है यार. Have you understood, guys? I'm challenging you guys. I'm challenging you guys. In no book it is written and never you have studied this kind of concept. Guys, why CU is good for a good soil, for a well-graded soil? CU is greater than any big number is there. And for CC we are restricting the region. Why? Because if CU is very, very big, that means D60 is very, very big and D10 is very, very less. So it is good here. Large range of particle is there. Large range of particle is there. Very big particle is also there. Very small particle is also there. Very good. Now why this is there? This is there, maybe there is very big particle, very large particle, but it might be the between particles are absent, gap graded soil. So they are not absent, so therefore a new term D30 is also considered, and if it is coming 1, 2, 3, that means बीच के particle भी आ रहे हैं. Got it or not guys? Everyone on the comment box please put a heart sign. Everyone on the comment box please put a heart sign if you got it. So this is the thing that is giving the range. And this is the thing that is giving that range is there, but बीच में भी particle है. They should not be gap graded. बोलो भाई. Coulomb's theory of Earth's pressure is based on the wedge theory. Again a database question. Again a database question. For a sand having interpolation of the passive and Kp by Ka. So Kp is 1 plus sin phi, 1 minus, actually it should be reciprocal of that. 1 minus sin phi, 1 plus sin phi. For 30 degree this will be 3 and this will be 1 by 3. So this will be 9. Okay. The nature of earth pressure above dredge line behind a cantilever sheet pile. This is a sheet pile. This cantilever means one side fixed. So that is fixed. This is the ground level. If this is going like this sheet pile. So from here it is, the wall is coming towards the fill. So passive, and from here the wall is going away. So it is active. This is active. Okay. If the wall is going like this, so the sheet pile is going like this. For this soil it is coming towards, so passive. And from this soil it is going away, so it is active. So above, this is the dredge line. Above the dredge line, below the dredge line it is active one side, passive one side. But this is empty guys, here there is no soil. There is no soil here. The soil is here, here and here. So above the dredge line it is active. Okay. The maximum shear stress, of course the table is given for this. This value is 2.8. These kind of database questions, the Godel provisions are asked. Critical section of shear in case of flat slab is at a distance of d by 2 from the periphery of column, capital and drop panel. Okay. A flood hydrograph. Guys, a flood hydrograph consists of everything: interflow, base flow, surface runoff, anything. Suppose if there is a direct runoff hydrograph, then guys in here there is no base flow. All the water which is going down is not considered here, but in flood hydrograph everything is considered: base flow, interflow, direct runoff, surface runoff, everything guys. The point of inflection where the concavity changes, the curvature changes, on the recession limb of a hydrograph represents here, this point, it is concave, it is something convex like this. What does that point indicate? This indicates the maximum storage in the catchment. Excellent question guys. I want to see that who can do this. A 4-hour unit hydrograph of a certain basin has a peak coordinate of 80 meter cube per second. The peak coordinate of a 2-hour unit hydrograph of the same basin for same rainfall intensity will be in 4 hours the peak is 80, in 2 hours the peak will be. Excellent question guys, excellent question. Excellent. See guys, in 4 hours if a rainfall is coming, Okay. So both are unit hydrographs, na? Then rainfall intensity will be different. Leave this. Why different? Why I cut this? Because in 4 hours 1 centimeter is coming. I am only telling you rainfall excess intensity, not total rainfall intensity. So in 4 hours, if 1 centimeter is coming, then rainfall excess intensity is 1 by 4 per hour. Then 1 by 4 per hour, 1 by 4 per hour, 1 by 4 per hour, 1 by 4 per hour. Then only in 4 hours it will be 1 rainfall excess intensity, and here it will be 1 by 2. Then only in 2 hours it will be 1. Now guys, in 2 hours now, in 4 hours rain is coming for 4 hours. Then the peak will be coming. In 2 hours guys, the total rain of 1 centimeter is coming in only in 2 hours. So peak will be more. Na? Not getting. See, second way of teaching you this. If this is a Q and time, and this can be curve also. What is the this? This is volume of water. Area of catchment into 1 centimeter in proper units. This will be same. Basin is same. So area same. 1 centimeter, both are unit. Okay, and unit, so both are 1 centimeter. So this is same. So this means volume of water will be same because area same, depth same. So this will be same. So now in the 4 hour time base will be more, na? So this area has to be same. So in 4 hours this will be more, na? X axis will be more, na? So Y axis will be less. QP will be less. In 2 hours this time base will be less, na? So QP will be more. Now you understood. Now you understood. Guys, baseline is a line which is generally passing from the center of the area, and this is the line which is measured with the best accuracy, and all the points, things are measured with respect to this. So this is accurate very precisely. That is why it is taken by the inward tape. Inward tape has coefficient of thermal expansion very less, so that in summers it doesn't elongate more, in winters it doesn't contract less. And this is made of steel and nickel alloy. Steel 64%, nickel 36%. Which of the following is an obstacle to chaining but not ranging? River, guys. River, the another side of the river, the other bank of the river, you can see ranging can be done because there is no obstruction in sighting. But you cannot go and measure the distance by tape, na? Chaining cannot be there. Okay. Which of the following? This is not required. Leave. The permissible error in chaining, as per given by Survey of India, on a rough and hilly terrain is 1 by 250. Okay. What is the magnetic declination at a place if magnetic bearing on the sun at noon is 184 degree? Guys, in this case, whenever these kind of questions are coming, na, the true you have to take as 180 degree. Therefore, the true meridian is 180 degree and your magnetic bearing is 184. So magnetic meridian will be here, then it will be 184. So this will be 4 degree west. Okay. True, you have to take it as 180 degree. The line drawn to the point of same declination. Same declination is isogenic line. And special, and if that declination is 0 degree, it is called agonic line. Okay. And from same dip, it is called isoclinic. From same dip, it is isoclinic. From same declination, it is isogenic. From same declination, but that declination is 0, it is agonic line. Same elevations, contour. Same velocity, isovels. Same pressure, isobar. The points from where it takes same time to reach the channel outlet, isochrone. Same evapotranspiration, isoplete. Same rainfall, isoheight. Okay. The error which occurs when the objective is not in the same plane with the crosshair of telescope. Guys, see this pen from right eye, then left eye, right eye, left eye, right eye, left eye, right eye, left eye, right eye, left eye. Do this. If you don't have pen and pencil, you can do this with finger. with right eye, left eye, right eye, left eye. Do this and tell me the finger is assuming to be move apart na, that is called parallax error. This is due to this. Okay. So guys, this is your homework. You have to tell me on the comment section about this. Okay, so guys, the 5th June HPCL is announced the date. Last date is 30th June. Okay, this is the number of vacancies in 2024 for civil. Yes, it is 10 vacancies. And number of questions will be 170, have to be done in 150 minutes, plus 1 minus 0.25. Out of 170, 85 questions will be technical, 85 will be non-technical. As per the last year guys, then 85 technical you have to score at least 50%. There is no minimum cutoff in non-technical, but here you have to score 50%, and overall 60% for general and 54% for others. As per the last year, this year they have not given till. Okay, this is the cutoff out of 170 marks last year for civil and mechanical. You can see this cutoff. And guys, yes guys, early bird discount is going on. If you want to enroll in our GATE and ESC courses, the Resultant GATE and ESC courses, then there is a 40% discount. Our new batches are starting from 10th of June guys. Last month the admissions were closed, but now it is open. So if you want to enroll, you can enroll with a 40% of early bird discount. How to enroll guys? There is description box in this comment box. There are query form there, there is phone number there, there is email ID there. My email ID is abhinav@resultant.in. Okay, everything is email ID, everything is written there. In any way you can communicate with us. We'll be telling you everything about the courses. This is the last time when the paper was conducted on 23rd August 2023. Guys, this is the weightage analysis this time. Usually it is seen that soil, survey, transportation, fluid mechanics are on the higher side of the weightage out of the total 85 questions, and this is the weightage of 2021 and 22. Okay. So guys, in our courses you will be getting live classes where you can watch infinite number of times the recorded classes. Okay, study notes will be available guys for each and every class. You will be getting in PDFs. The class test will be, weekly test will be there. Whatever you studied in those 6 days, 5 days, it will be coming in the test on the Sunday. 150 plus test series exactly in the GATE platform, question bank, previous year questions with the solutions, everything will be there in our question bank guys. 3000 plus questions which includes MSQ also. Okay, so you can connect us. Here is the phone number and email ID. This is in the description box also. You can connect us there. Okay, so thank you guys. For any more suggestions, we are happy to take it. Please let us know on the comment sections of this video. Thank you guys. Take care.